How to add or insert page numbers to Canva. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will simply guide you on how you can add or insert pages to your Canva design, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now of course you can see I have a specific presentation, and maybe you have lots of presentations in the process, right? You can see at the bottom you'll find the page numbers automatically synced up, which is 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? This is just one of the automatic features, but if you're talking about within the presentation, then you have to actually enter those page numbers manually, because even though this is page 2, which you can relatively see over here at the bottom left of each of these designs, you'll not be able to see it within the presentation. So what you need to do is over here, just head over to text, just add a specific heading that you want, and then what you want to do is just name this page number such as 1, let's say. Now if you want, you can drag this page number depending upon your own wish. Then you can simply go ahead and then copy this page number like this. You can change its color or whatever else you prefer in this case. Once you copy the page number or whatever else that you prefer, you can come back and then you can simply paste the similar page number on this specific page as well. When you paste the similar, you can just replace it to 2 3 4 5, because at the bottom you can see all the page numbers will set up automatically. And this is the only thing that you can do as of right now. Hopefully Canva might update this in the future, but for now there's really nothing else that we can do. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.